Okay, we got a no cooling call here. We have not been to this house before, so we have no idea what's going on. Thought I saw a Goodman or a Amana when I pulled up looking at the side of the house, but let's go find out what we got. You know, anytime the fan is running inside, and then we're gonna suspect something going on with this outside unit. I think I can hear it now. It's like fan only. So let's open it up and check the cap. Six alert blinks. Yeah, that's the same one we see in the comfort takers. See if we can see what 6 means. Open start circuit. Ah, that doesn't sound good. Let's let's just boy, whatever did that. There we go. About that. I'd say it's pretty important to have a good connection for your common to your capacitor. So let's repair that. And check out the cap. See what happens. I tell you, this thing is loose. It's a loose connection. Always builds heat. Let's try a new one. Okay, so here's what I decided to do. I decided to run 2 in the place of 1, just to beef it up a little bit. This provides common for the fan motor, so I guess we could have achieved the same by just moving it down to the common. So I did not use the roughed up, almost burnt looking spade. I have some of these little pieces in my spare parts tray, but I decided this was tough enough, so I added those 2 in the back, 2 commons, and ran them up here to this terminal here. Hopefully beefing up the common feed here a little bit, kind of lighten the pull on the capacitor and the other components. It's just something I would do now and then. Anyway, let's plug it back in and see if we get compressor and fan. Yep. Okay. Not sure what that is. Some kind of ground in place of the common? I don't know. So I don't know if I don't see a load control here. Sometimes you see them butchering up stuff. And this doesn't look factory to me. So I'd say somebody's been out here doing a little bit of you know, re-engineering. We're going to check the performance of all this and talk to the customer and see if we want to do anything else. So, look a little closer. You can see what they did. Added a low pressure. I mean, I hope that's a low pressure cut off because it's teed into the low pressure line, the suction line. But anyway, we're back up and running. We're going to find out what else they want us to do. We're going to make a few recommendations and go from there. All right, at this time, she does not want me to change anything or fix anything else. Apparently they got a regular guy that was busy, and that's why they called us. So I don't know if they want to call him back or what. I think I'm going to offer to leave this wire with them. Just now thought of that. I think I'll go back and lay it up on the porch and tell him, if you got a guy coming back, you can show him that this is what I found. So apparently they like him pretty good, and he's taking good care of them, and just happened to be booked up at the time, and that can happen to any of us. So I'll be the number 2. I'll be glad to be their backup. All right, let's go to the next one. Thanks for watching.